Hello, friends. How are you today? I hope you're doing great. Today, you are going to find in your kit a bag. Well, you're going to find it that your bag says on the front, Owl Babies. But there's two projects in here. There's Owl Babies project, but there's also this first project that we're going to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove this from your bag, and it's a little book. And attached to the book is a little bag, and you're gonna, it's just paper clipped on there, and you're gonna take that off. And in your bag, you're gonna notice that there's 3 crayons, a red, yellow, and blue one, a red, blue, and yellow one. But you're gonna also notice a bunch of shapes, okay? And I'm just gonna pour them out like this. And the fun thing about this project is that you will see is that the shapes are all the colors of the rainbow. That's true. So there's 6 shapes and there's 6 colors. So you are going to explore these shapes and colors, and you're going to sort them however you want. Like you might want to do all yellows. Put all the yellows together, or all the oranges together, something like that. Or you may find that you want to put all the shapes together. See, so first I'm putting together all of the yellows. See, so we've got a heart, a square, we got a star, and we have a diamond or a rhombus, and we also have a triangle and a circle. Can you see all that? I'll stretch it out a little bit. And you have this little book, and your job is going to be to add to this book whenever you're ready. You don't have to glue the pieces in there if you don't want, but you can if you want to also. Okay? So you could just use the book for other fun things, but it does say on the book, mine says Chantal, yours will have your name also. Patterns, shapes, and colors sorting book. So right now I'm sorting them into colors. So maybe I'll do orange, but maybe I want to do it right next to the same shape. So I got a square, a star. Let's see, I find all the oranges. I got a circle, and I have a heart. And I have a triangle, and I have a diamond here. Now maybe I want to do red next, because let's see if that's a good way to do it. I've got red, I've got a triangle here, a square. I'm just going to dump them out like that, and a star, and a circle. And a diamond again. So I got red, orange, yellow. Now I'm going to just move these little crayons. Actually, I'll move them over here by the book. And now I'll do the next color of the rainbow. So I'll do green. You might not be able to see it, the green, very well. Well, maybe you will, but because it's on a green background. And you just grab whichever ones you have in your hand and try to put them in the right place. And you could do this right on your table, right on a tray, wherever you want. You do it on the floor. But if you do decide that you want to glue yours into your book today, then you're going to want to put down a paper towel or a newspaper before you do any gluing. Okay? Or do it on a tray that can get glue on it. But definitely not just on the table or floor. Okay, so here's the circle. Okay, and last but not least, we got purple. And your job is literally going to be to explore these shapes. So these are all of them here. We got one more here. See how we have all the colors of the rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 colors and 6 shapes. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do. We have 6 and 6. Now, you'll also notice that you have these crayons. Now in this book, one of the things that I'm hoping that you will do is explore the colors a little bit and with the crayon. For instance, if I pick up a yellow and make a circle, let's say I might make a little circle and I color in the circle. Okay, I make a yellow circle. And then I make and it doesn't even have to be a circle, it can be anything you want, it can be scribble if you want. And I make, let's see, actually I'll make a blue one next. Yellow plus blue. Let's see, now I'm going to make this into a circle colored in. I'm also going to write something here. I'm going to say yellow plus blue equals. Now I'm going to do both those colors on top of each other. So I'm going to do yellow and then I'm going to do blue right on top of it. And I don't know if you could tell from where you are, but the color is changing. It is. It's turning into a different color just by those two colors mixing. Do you see? Oops, the lighting is so weird around here. Let me see if I could fix that. I don't know if that's going to do anything. It's probably not going to do anything. What happens if I turn this on? Let's see. Nope. Maybe off. Well, all right. So either way, it does have the color green. See? And if you do a little bit more yellow on top of it, it'll really look green. Okay, so there's that. So we got yellow plus blue equals green. Okay, so that's one. And I could write the word green too if I want. And you could do each color that way. You can do, okay, yellow, another circle. I'll say yellow plus, plus, this time I'm going to do red equals, I'm going to do yellow, I'm going to do yellow, red, and yellow, just like I did with the green. I'm going to start with yellow, just because it will help make it a better orange. I cheated. Now you know what color it's going to turn. Oopsie, sorry about that. I wanted it to be a fun surprise. Oh well. Now, and then when I put a little bit yellow on top, it really is going to make it very orange. And I'll show you again. All right, do you see the colors here? We got yellow plus red equals orange. All right, now there's only two more colors to explore here, and that is red. I'm going to make another circle here, red. Plus blue. And that's going to be equals, red, I'm going to do blue on top of it, see, and that's going to change into a new color. And I'm going to do a little bit more red on top so it really stands out. Actually, I might even add a little more blue because it really might become a little bit more clear of what color it is. So red plus blue equals purple. It's true. All right, so now on your next page, this is where you could decide how you're going to put your shapes on your page. So you could either do nothing, and you could just save these in a bag, in your little bag that they came with, like that, and explore them some more. So you could separate them by shapes only. You could separate them by color only. That part's totally up to you. But that you're going to decide what you want to do in your book. Do you want to put them in here by color or by shape? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a pattern. And the way I'm going to do a pattern is I'm going to on my scratch page here, I have a scratch page, and I'm going to put some color on the back of one of my shapes. So I think I'm going to actually start, that's fine. I'm going to start with the heart because I love hearts. It's full of love. And then I'm going to put it right here on my page. And I'm starting with purple because that was the last color we just explored. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back of my, actually, what did I do? Oh yeah, my square. But I need to be very careful. I don't know how well they're going to fit on here, so I might want to test it first. And so I'm putting them, gluing them in the right spot. I'm distancing them just right. That's about right. Okay, so now I'm going to do the star. Now, if you don't have a glue stick, that's okay. You could use a dab of glue, but it has to be so small of glue, of regular white glue. Because if you use too much glue on this, you are going to have your pages stick together, and you don't want that to happen, do you? I hope not, because that would be a bummer. So I'm doing the diamond, I'm doing the triangle, and then the circle. All right, there's one. Okay, so I did, all these different shapes, 6 different shapes. But what the pattern is going to be is I'm going to do all those same shapes, but a different color. That's what I'm going to do. So it's going to be purple. So it's going to be purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue. Get the idea? So I'm going to put this on next to it. And each page, I'm going to probably do something like that. On the next page, I might do blue, green, and yellow. And the last page, after that, I might do orange and red. Okay, so you get the idea. And that's all you're going to do for this particular project. Okay? And take your time. You don't even have to do it all at the same time. You could save part of it for now, and you could finish it later if you want. Okay? But eventually, you will look at this book and feel so proud of what you've accomplished. Because after all, it is your patterns, shapes, and color sorting book. And that's what it is. So here we go. We got purple, orange, green, and we got shapes and patterns. So the next page, I'm going to do the same thing. But this time, I'm not going to glue them because I might want to play with them later. So right now, I'm just going to put them in my book like this so you could see it, how it looks. And then I'm going to do a yellow. Oops. Yellow star, yellow diamond, triangle, yellow, and yellow circle. Right? So there's that. And last but not least, of course, now those shapes are probably not going to stay there while I turn the page since I didn't glue them, but that's okay. And now, last but not least, we've got our orange heart, orange square, orange star, orange diamond, orange triangle, and orange circle. And again, red heart, red square, red star, red diamond, red triangle, and red circle. And that is that. I hope that you have fun making your book. Oops, there's my yellow. All right, take care. I love you so much. And have a wonderful day. Okay, bye. See you later, alligators.